Can we delete transaction history on Capitec application? Hi everyone, this is Kid and welcome back to another video, and in this video we will talk about if we can delete transaction history on Capitec application. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, make sure that you're logged in into your account on Capitec application. And if you're wondering if you could delete your transaction history, unfortunately, the Capitec Bank does not offer a delete feature or remove transaction history on the application. That is because this aligns with the standard banking practices where transaction records are maintained for legal regularity and auditing purpose. So once the transaction is processed, it becomes a permanent part of your account history and cannot be erased. So that means you will not be able to delete your transaction history on Capitec application. But instead of deleting your transaction history, what you can do is you can filter your transaction, you can export statement, and you can also use a separate account. But if you believe a transaction was made in error or is fraudulent, then you can always contact to Capitec's customer support to dispute it. So hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, do not forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.